Hi guys, it's me, ShivDTA, back with another video. Today we're going to review the January the 1st, 2023 Thanos Mech Armour, set number 76242-6+. This in the UK currently costs $12.99, more than the average prices of the mechs in the past. This is Lego Marvel Avengers set. Today I'm going to do the speed build. Second of all, the review, and third, I'm going to do a comparison between the 2020 Thanos mech and the new set, which is here. So let's get started. So this is the box. So it has a circle for Thanos, showing the minifigure only its head and torso. It says its name Thanos, and it says Lego Marvel, because that's what it is, the theme, and it says Marvel Avengers from where it's based from. And it has a picture of comic versions of Hulk, Iron Man, Captain America, Black Panther, and Captain Marvel. This is a new set that's come out this year, and you can see on the box these have like a comic of the new things that come out. It says it's a big logo for Lego Marvel with comic picture at the back. It has the minifigure for Thanos. It says the set name in different languages. This is just the barcode and what's just giving you extra information. This is, so you could download this app. I've said this in the first video, but this is an app that can get onto your iPhone, phone, or any device that is able to have this. So this app is called Lego Builder. It is an app where you can download instructions of each set, and also you can mark down of how many sets you have. So I've used it all to mark down all my sets, so I know what I have in my collection. So this shows you the full minifigure for Thanos and its mech, and it comes with a large blade, and it tells you the set number and the theme, Avengers logo at the bottom, and it says you can find this set on the website of Lego, so you just need to search it up and you can pause it and see what it says. So yeah, so let's start building. Let's have tape. So yeah, this box is a bit soft, but yeah. So just get the box out the way. So then, this is the instructions. Gives you a full picture of the set, a barcode to scan it, and I think something appears on your phone. You scan this, and I think I've never done this before, but you can win something. You can pause it to read what it says, and scan the barcode. And these are just extra information. So yeah, you could even wait to scan this. Okay. So it shows you more barcode, what the app is on Lego Builder. It shows you the minifigure for Thanos and your building, just the instructions, and on the little line it tells you how much progress you've done so far. And at the back it tells you when it's finished, and it tells you all the pieces that is in the set. So in this set, it actually comes with all of the Infinity Stones for a cheap price. It has the Reality Stone, Space Stone, Mind Stone, Power Stone, Soul Stone, and the Time Stone, which is really good. It comes in 2 blades and the Thanos minifigure. and this is the website. If there's any problems with it, or yeah, like that. Okay. So then it comes with these two blades, which was, I think, introduced in 2021 in Ninjago, I believe. Yeah. So this is bag 1. Oh, I don't think there's any numbered bags. So it comes with 2 bags. And this, I believe, has all the Infinity Stones and the Thanos minifigure in. And these are just the tiny pieces. Oh, it looks like the Space Stone is in a separate bag. So, yeah. So, now I'm going to open it up. I'm going to open it now. Just use a pair of scissors. So it doesn't make a lot of racket. So, yeah. So we need to get all the pieces out. There, just put that bag out the way. Now cut in this bag. There. And in the latest news of Lego, I believe if you are a Bionicle fan and really like the old Bionicle theme, at Lego, if you spend £100 worth of Lego, you'll be able to get like a set for display if you really like it and if you really want to spend it. So now we're going to start building it. going to review the Mech. So let's start off with the minifigure. So the minifigure has a purple, so Thanos has a more MCU accurate design, closer to the one in Infinity War, but like minifigure scale. So it has purple arms and hands on both sides, like a navy blue legs, and it has a purple head with more like a annoyed, angry expression. So this one has like a more gold metallic armor with a orangey brown outline in it, streaks. It even has a tint of light, like a darker blue, but lighter than navy. At the back it has the same armor, navy blue, and in this time it has like a lighter grey involved with this minifigure. So this minifigure is actually a quite good one for these, and it's exclusive to this set. So let's place it here. So now let's review the full Mech. So this Mech has all of the stones in one like cheap set, and also it has the Infinity Gauntlet, so you have the whole thing. It even has like a more purple, it's more like a larger scale version of the minifigure, but it has large purple arms to make it look tough and strong. It has a blade, it has a transparent blue, transparent purple circle disc at the bottom. Even has tan on the feet, tan color also on the feet. Oh, this just fell off. There. So, even has some gold at the front with some gold ingots, and it has black armor. It even has a golden tan navy hip, and this hand uses the new fingers for this year to like give it more of a closer, accurate design for Mech. So let's talk about the cockpit. So this one has a printed tile curved piece, which has the armor of it, and more like a air oxygen. Ooh. And the leg has fallen off now. So it has gold armor at the bottom, at the top of it. So let's talk about the articulation. So you can move here, so the cockpit can open up, the character sits there. It has a 360 degree articulation on this. It doesn't have any articulation in the little shoulder, and it has a lot of articulation on the hand. To me, this hand is really small for a Mech, for this Mech. The same articulation on this, but also there's articulation on the fingers. So you can move each individual finger and thumb. So it even has a blade, which can also move side to side. Yeah. So then it could move at the hip side to side, and these legs could move here. The articulation, there's no articulation on the knees, which this piece that doesn't use the articulation is in Ninjago 2022 Mechs that they released. So they decided not to include this. because they decided to include it because of like I think they thought like there was too much and it couldn't balance, but this one could balance easily. And it has articulation of the feet, turn 360, and can go the pieces at the side, each end, don't let it move that much. So yeah. So I think, and the blade, this piece in gold, this was first mold was first used in Ninjago 2021 because for like their new season and sets that have released. But this mech is honestly a really good mech. So now we're going to talk about the comparison from this mech and the mech from 2020. So I've got the mech here. So the minifigure, compare this to this one. This one has actually red eyes, less detail, more like a comic detail. It even has a gold helmet, different to this minifigure. It actually has plain like details, like quite plain detail on the gold, and is more yellowish compared to this one. It doesn't use any of the light navy on this figure, but it includes like more comic muscle, even the same with the back. They do have the same legs, navy, and this figure actually uses navy arms and gold hand, which is different to this because this one used purple. It even came with a mini infinity golem, but it doesn't have any detail on it. But this set you get the larger one. So let's put these minifigures aside. Yeah. So now let's talk about the mech. So I think, my opinion, this is my opinion, don't hate on it, but I actually like the new mech, but because this one has too big of a hand, and I don't really like too much articulation in my mechs, because it's not really my style because I like things to be more simple. So this one on the hand, this one uses more the new finger pieces, but in the new one it uses like like more technic pieces for the fingers and thumbs. So this one uses the infinity gauntlet. I couldn't find the little studs that go on, but imagine they're there. But this one is 2 gold and very odd one out with this. And also it's like too big, but too much articulation in one hand. But this time where the articulation is not on this, it is on this. So this, when you place the character in here, to me it sometimes easily falls out, because that sometimes opens and then falls out. When this one has studs, so that the character sits down and it perfectly fits, and the arms just stick out. There's hip articulation of the hip, but not here, but where the legs are, and this stops it from happening. And so there's articulation here, but this time this mech uses more of the navy pieces than this one. This one has like a black, gold, navy, purple, while this one like gunmetal grey. Well, this one uses gunmetal grey, navy, gold, and I think that is probably it. So this one uses a more variety of colours. This one is basically the switched colours. These have a printed design. This one's more detailed, and yeah. So I think this video is ended. So I'm going to try and review I'm trying to do like things that I like, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. And in the next video I'm hoping to post a video of the evolution of Marvel Mechs over the past 3 years. So that is coming soon, and I will see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.